Dear devotees, this is your priest Kameshwara Sharma from Lakshmi Ganapati Temple. So since this pandemic started in Sri Lakshmi Ganapati Temple, we started with Mahalakshmi Ganapati Chitravrati Tarpanam with honey, Madhu Tarpanam. So 41 days we finished that one along with Sudarshana, Dhanvantari, Mahaganapati, Rudrahomas. And after that, we finished Hanuman Chalisa with Manya Sukta Abhishekam every day with Sundarkanda Parayana 41 days. Now we are started this is third day we done with Chandi Saptashati and Lalita Sahasranama Kunkumarchana. Shastra says Kalau Chandi Vinayakaha. When we have any kind of kamyas, means wishes, if we want to fulfill our wishes, we have to pray Chandi and Ganapati. Then it will be fulfilled very soon. Sarvabada Prasamanam Trailokyasya Akileshwari. That's what Devatas did a stuti to Ma Durga. So that means you will remove all kind of problems, all kind of pandemics, Sarvabada Prasamani, all kind of badas, all kind of problems, health issues, wealth issues, and kind of other issues. If we have any, you will remove when we come front of you and surrender ourselves to you. That's what Devatas did a stuti to Ma Durga. And Durga Parameshwari Jagadamba also said, if anybody with devotion and concentration do the prayer of Chandi Saptashati Patham, I will definitely remove all kind of sorrows from their life, and I will take care of them forever. That's what Mataji gave the varam. It's in the Chandi Saptashati. So it's very, very auspicious. It has 13 chapters and 3 parts: Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. And first part is Madhukaitava Vadha, and second part is Mahishasura Vadha, and third part is Shumbha Nishubha Vadha. These all are demons. They became very threatened to the universe. So Mataji came and killed them and protect this universe. Not only human, even Devatas also. So this is a great pandemic right now we are facing, and it is increasing. Hopefully by July 20th it will be come down. That's what the planetary positions are saying. But in the coming days there is going to be more happening. So we have to surrender ourselves in front of Ma Durga, and that's why we are started this prayer for Chandi Saptashati and Lalita Sahasranama Kunkumarchana. Right now in Sri Lakshmi Ganapati temple, we are not allowing public for regular darshans, and some darshanams and archanas or other kind of pujas are available with appointment. You can call Lakshmi Ganapati temple or priest Kameshwar Sharma like me, so you can get an appointment and come on time at the temple and do the archana darshanam and archanas, prayers and pujas. So this is what we are doing now. Keep supporting us. Chandi Saptashati is very, very auspicious. When you hear this Chandi Saptashati, that is more than enough. Mataji will be very, very Mother Goddess Durga will be very pleased with that and give you all kind of benefits. Namaskaram. Hari Om Tat Sat.